Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve keeps freezing on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve keeps freezing on Roblox app, you should just go settings. After that, you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of Roblox. Then you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.